Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you the touchscreen replacement for Cadillac Cue, like for all type of Cadillacs that they basically come with this type of touchscreen, and that's their common problem. So we do have the touchscreen replacement right now, and it can fix all the issues with the touchscreen. Before, the touchscreen didn't work on this Cadillac SRX, but right now everything is perfectly fine, and we can use the touchscreen. And if you really need these touchscreens, if your Cadillac has problem with the touchscreen, you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, or you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, and you can replace the touchscreen on your Cadillac. So just make sure the shape of the screen is like this, and it's for Cadillac Cue, and that's the connection at the back. Our screen is fully compatible with this type of touch screen. It's exact same thing. Actually, it's better quality, and it's guaranteed working 10 times better than the factory touch screen. Thank you and have a great day.